What you have to do is you add the precursor. You get these two ingredients to fight fibroid to 3 times every month. Welcome back to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyles. On this channel, I teach about plants, their spiritual use, their physical benefits, and their health benefits. Hit on the subscribe button because I'm going to upload a lot of videos on this channel. We are learning a lot of plants, their spiritual use, and their physical benefits, their health uses. So there are some plants in your community, in your environment that you don't see their uses. That is, you can't like find what you use them for. You are just weeding them away. But if you subscribe to my channel, there are a lot of plants, there are a lot of weeds I'm going to talk about on the channel that are very beneficial to your health, that you can use to heal sickness, that maybe you could have spent thousands of dollars on it. So let's jump into today's video. Today I'm going to talk about the banana plant. The totality of the banana plant is a very special plant. Today I'm going to talk about three main things: how to use it to solve sexual dysfunction, number two, how to use it to solve menstrual imbalance. Like there are some people, their menstrual period will come for 3 days this week, that is this month, 4 days next month, two days next month, like irregular ones. And then once again, I'm going to show you how to use this banana plant to solve ulcer problem, that's stomach ulcer. So let's jump into today's video. One, for sexual dysfunction, we are going to get the root of this banana. Once we get the root of the banana plant, we are going to dry it. The reason why we're going to dry it, there are some plants, there are some nutrients in some plants. If you don't dry them, they are not able to dissolve well in water. So when you dry them, they are able to dissolve in water very well, so that you can utilize their that is their benefits. So that is why you are going to dry it. So after drying it, you are going to just prepare it with these two ingredients. That is the negro pepper. The picture of the negro pepper is on the screen. And then we are also going to get cloves. Yes. So we are going to boil the cloves, negro pepper with the dry plantain, that is the dry banana root. So once you just boil it, you are going to take the liquid or the decoction from morning and evening for the men that are suffering from dysfunction. Yes. The second one is those with menstrual problem, that is irregular menstrual problem. For this irregular menstrual problem, you are going to get the leaves. You get the leaves of this banana plant, you get the leaves, and then you are also going to get the cloves. For this time, you are not going to add the negro pepper, you're going to get the cloves, and then you add it to this. You add it to this, and you can also add the fresh one. You see, there's a stem inside. That is the plant. There's a stem inside. That is I wanted to get some, but it's very difficult to get. So there's a stem inside. This is the stem that I'm talking about. The stalk inside. You can get the fresh one and add some amount to it, but it's not by force. The fresh stem also makes you to eat very well. Like, so there are some people when they're in their period, they are not able to eat and all those kind of stuff, but that one is optional. So you just add the cloves to it, and then you start drinking it morning, afternoon, evening, morning, afternoon, evening. Yes. And there are people suffering stomach ulcer. Someone says stomach ulcer. If they eat, they will be crying. They fasted to the extent that there's sores all over their intestines, their duodenum, and then their stomach sac. So if food enters their body, wahala for them. They'll be crying and all those kind of things. So in this video, I told you that I'm going to stop this once and for all. So see the stem of the banana. See the stem. Yes, the stem of the banana. You are going to cut it. See, when you cut it, you are going to squeeze some water or some liquid out from the banana stem. That liquid, and just drink it empty stomach. You will call me and thank me. If you have sent this to hospitals, doctors have treated it and still it is not working, you've taken medicine, you are going to call me. My number is on the screen. You are going to WhatsApp me and tell me what I thought is super fantastic. This is a free bonus from my grandfather. Free bonus. There are a lot of people who are suffering ulcer, and then they've taken plenty medicines. When they come and I give them this, that's all. That's all. So just get the juice. get the juice out from it. Yes, the juice, and you just get about 2 cups. Take half cup in the morning, half cup in the evening. The next day, take half cup. The next day, empty stomach before food, 30 minutes before food. Just 2 cups, and we are going to be okay. Let's add this one as a bonus. This one as a bonus. If there are some people with skin problems, there are some people who want to our ladies, they want their skin to be fair and nicely. Like, if you want natural way of enhancing your skin to the extent that you become fair and those kind of thing, smooth, and then, or yes, just get the banana, the fruit of the banana. Just eat the banana, the peel, gather them in a bowl, add some amount of honey to it. Once you add it, just cover it for some time. When you cover it for some time, for about 2 days, you can just get the liquid out from it. Once you get the liquid out from it, you can just take it, and then we are going to be fine. Things are going to change. If you have some scratches or some rashes on your skin too, you can just apply, and then you're going to be fine. On this channel, we teach about plants, their benefits, and then their spiritual use. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you don't understand anything, just comment, or my number is on the screen. You can just WhatsApp me, and then let's talk anything you don't understand. See you in the next video.